Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Target GPAT, the stair of success. So friends, today we are going to discuss the important MCQs of microbiology. In this video series, we will discuss all MCQs topic wise from a book which is MCQs in Microbiology by Vidya Sagar and New Age Publisher. So friends, let's take a little look of the book once. Friends, this book has 10 chapters, which is chapter 1 history of microbiology, chapter 2 bacteria and gram staining, chapter 3 sterilization, culture media and pure culture techniques, and chapter 4 general property of microorganism, chapter 5 bacterial nutrition, chapter 6 bacterial growth, chapter 7 structure of DNA and RNA, and chapter 8 immunobiology, chapter 9 medical microbiology, and chapter 10 industrial microbiology. So in this video we will discuss first chapter, which is the history of microbiology. So friends, there are 105 questions in this topic. So now we will see only 35 questions from this topic, and in next parts we will see next 35 questions. So in this way we will see 105 questions in 3 parts. Okay, so let's start the part 1, which is part 1 history of microbiology. So here is the chapter 1 history of microbiology. So let's see the question number first. According to Pasteur statement, which one of the following is true? Options are living organism discriminate between stereoisomer. Fermentation is a aerobic process. Living organism doesn't discriminate between stereoisomer. And D, both A and B. So the right answer of this, according to Pasteur statement, living organism discriminate between stereoisomers is the true. I found floating there in earthly particles some green streaks, spirally bound, sprint-wise and orderly arranged. The whole circumference of each of these streaks was about the thickness of a hair on head. These words are of Leeuwenhoek, Pasteur, Agener, Koch. Right answer is these words are of Leeuwenhoek. A is the correct answer. Question number 3. The principal light-trapping pigment molecule in plants, algae and cyanobacteria is A. chlorophyll A, B. chlorophyll B, C. porphyrin and D. rhodopsin. So right answer is A. See question number 4. During biogeochemical cycle, some amount of elemental carbon was utilized by the microorganism. The phenomena is called as dissimilation, immobilization, decomposition, neutralization. Right answer is it is called immobilization. Okay. Next, question number 5. Who demonstrated that open tubes of broth remained free of bacteria when air was free of dust? ABBC Spallanzani, John Tyndall and Francisco Redi and Pasteur. So the correct answer is B, John Tyndall. 6. Reverse isolation would be appropriate for a patient with tuberculosis, a patient who has had minor surgery, a patient with glaucoma and a patient with leukemia. Correct answer is reverse isolation would be appropriate for a patient with tuberculosis. Next question. The symptom general feeling of illness and discomfort is called cystitis, malaise, anaphylactic shock, arthritis. Option right, correct option is malaise. On soybean, which of the following form symbiotism? Azotobacter pespeli, Rhizobium, Nostoc and Bradyrhizobium. So the correct answer of this question is D, Bradyrhizobium. Question number 9. who provide the evidence that bacteriophage nucleic acid but not protein enters the host cell during infection? So the correct answer is Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase in 1952 provide the evidence that bacteriophage enters nucleic acid, not protein, in the host cell. Next, question number 10. Spirulina belongs to Xanthophyceae, Cyanophyceae, Rhodophyceae and Phaeophyceae. Correct answer is B, Cyanophyceae. Spirulina belongs to Cyanophyceae. The first antibody to contact invading microorganism was IgG, IgM, IgA, IgD. Correct answer is IgM is the first antibody to contact invading microorganism. Question number 12. The light emitted by luminescent bacteria is mediated by the enzyme coenzyme Q, luciferase, lactose dehydrogenase or carboxylase reductase. Correct answer of this question is C, lactose dehydrogenase. Pick out the vector using in Human Genome Project. Phagamid vector, yeast artificial chromosomes, cosmid vectors and yeast episomal plasmid. Correct answer is B, yeast artificial chromosome. Question number 14. Salt and sugars preserve food because they make them acid, produce a hypotonic environment, deplete nutrient or produce a hypertonic environment. Correct answer is D, produce a hypertonic environment. 15. In a fluorescent microscope, the objective lens is made of glass, quartz, polythene, none of the above. Correct answer is polythene. C. Fixation of atmospheric nitrogen is by means of biological process, lightning, ultraviolet light, all of the above. So the correct answer is fixation of atmospheric nitrogen is by means of all of the above. 70. Which one of the following fungi is the most serious threat in a bone marrow transplant unit? Candida albicans, Aspergillus, Blastomyces and Cryptococcus. Correct answer is B, Aspergillus. Direct microscopic count can be done with the aid of Newark chamber, anaerobic chamber, mineral oil, olive oil. Correct answer is Newark chamber A. Direct microscopic count can be done with. Next question. The image obtained in a compound microscope is real, virtual, real inverted, D virtual inverted. Correct answer is virtual. Enzymes are responsible for alcoholic fermentation, ketolase, zeamase, peroxidase, oxidase. Right answer is zeamase is responsible for alcoholic fermentation. Which type of spores are produced sexually? Conida, sporangiospores, ascospores and none of the above. None of this. Correct answer is ascospores is a type of spores are produced sexually. 22. Bacterial transformation was discovered by Edberg and Tatum, Bedell and Tatum, Griffith, none of the above. Correct answer is bacterial transformation was discovered by Edberg and Tatum. Father of microbiology is Louis Pasteur, Lister, A.V. Leeuwenhoek, Robert Koch. Correct answer is A.V. Leeuwenhoek is the father of microbiology. 24. The antiseptic method was first demonstrated by Lewinsky, Lord Lister, Edward Jenner and Wissering. Correct answer is B, Lord Lister. Smallpox vaccine was first discovered by Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, Lister, Edward Jenner. Correct answer is D, Edward Jenner. The term mutation was obtained by Pasteur, Darwin, Hugo Davis, Lamarck. Correct answer is Hugo Davis. Next, 27. Compound microscope was discovered by Antony Vaughan, Pasteur, Johnson Haynes, none of the above. Right answer is it is discovered by Johnson and Hens compound microscope. Father of medical microbiology is Pasteur, Jenner, Koch and A.L. Hook. Right answer is C, Koch. 29. Disease that affect many people at the different countries is termed as, you know well, pandemic. Let's see question number 30, which is prophylaxis of cholera is protect water supply, environmental sanitation, immunization with killed vaccines, all of the above. Right answer is environmental sanitation is prophylaxis of cholera. 31. In electron microscopy, what material is used as an objective lens? Magnetic coils, superfine glass, aluminum foils, electrons. Right answer is magnetic foil used in microscope as a lens. 32. The main feature of prokaryotic organism is absence of leukomotion, absence of nuclear envelope, absence of nuclear material, absence of protein synthesis. Correct answer is B, absence of nuclear envelope is the main feature of prokaryotic organism. Next, the stalk particles on the cristae of mitochondria are called glycosome, peroxisome, oxisome and spherosome. So the correct answer is B, peroxisome. Next, antiseptic methods were first introduced by Lord Lister, Lewanowski, Wiesernick and Edward Jenner. So correct answer is A, antiseptic methods were first introduced by Lord Lister. Last question of this video, which is Cru disease in human is caused by bacteria, viroids, prions and mycoplasma. So right answer is Cru disease in human is caused by C, prions. Okay, so friends, in this video we have seen 35 questions of microbiology from the topic history of microbiology. In next video we will see the next 35 questions of this topic. And one more thing, if you are preparing for GPAT and want to any type of fail related to it, like books, notes and study material, you can connect with us on our Telegram group and Instagram account. So links are in the description box. Click and join with us, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.